Welcome to HP2B My Account and Address Book, where you view orders, edit personal info, manage addresses, and much more. The My Profile drop-down menu will display your personal information. This is also where you log out from HP2B. Let's look at how you manage your address book from here. All your current addresses display on the Manage Addresses page. Search addresses based on payment method or address type. Click on the address to view the details. Add a new address at any time. Select the type of address and payment method and press Start. All the different kinds of addresses you can add or edit are displayed. Add a sold to address by clicking on the pen icon. The Sold to form appears. Each type of address displays a different form when you click on the pen icon. For example, sold to and mailed to addresses have different forms to fill out. You can save time if all addresses for a contract are the same. Just click on the Same as Sold to box next to any one of them. When you have completed all 5 addresses, click on Submit. For more details, go to the My Account and Address Quick Guide. HP2B, IT purchasing made simple.